Welcome to the German Masterclass. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can easily learn a very big amount of new vocabulary within a short amount of time. To do this, we will have a look at internationalisms. In German, Internationalismen. So what are internationalisms? An internationalism is a word that occurs in several or many languages with the same or similar meaning. Let's have a look at some examples here below. For example, die Adresse, the address, oder das Baby, the baby. Here below is die Banane, the banana. So as you see, these words are very similar to the English words. And one way to start learning with internationalisms, for example, could be that you think of a topic and you're trying to find internationalisms that would match with that topic. I prepared one example for you. Let's have a look at this. The question is, was gibt es alles am Flughafen? So this is our topic, the airport. What is there at the airport? And first, we have, of course, different locations at the airport. For example, the toilet in German, die Toilette. And there are restaurants as well in German, das Restaurant. And you probably will find some place where you get information. So in German, we call this die Information. And you will also find buses, der Bus. Here are more examples. The hotel is the first picture. So in German, das Hotel. You probably can eat fast food at the airport. Here is das Fast Food. You can buy things in shops. In German, der Shop. And pilots, der Pilot. And the police, die Polizei. So again, the method here was very easy. All I did is I looked up internationalisms and then I searched for words that I could use in a certain situation or in some sort of conversation or when I'm at a certain place. So I hope you like this idea and it helps you to expand your vocabulary. If you like this tutorial and you would like to learn more German with experienced teachers and easy to understand lessons with a high conversational approach, visit our Facebook page or contact us by email. You can find the links and the contact information in the video description below.